In fact, thinking about sustainability and implementing public policies for our environmental protection has become a fundamental component of development strategies for cities. Naturally, the contribution of citizens and communities towards the goal of more sustainable cities is essential, especially if we are facing the need to change individual behaviors. Recycling and selective waste collection is one of the best examples. The European Union has already defined as an objective for 2030 that 70% of waste should be recycled, and that by the end of 2023, all municipalities should have systems for the collection and selection of bio-waste. So, for old problems, new solutions. Let me introduce you to our Smart PAYT solution. The PAYT philosophy represents the pay-as-you-throw principle, in which the citizen who produces the most waste should be the one that pays the most for the use of the system. Our Smart PAYT solution is the realization of the pay-as-you-throw principle. For this, Ubiwhere developed a system based on the mechanism of conditional access to containers, allowing the identification of the user at each deposit. Each container holds an RFID device, and each citizen of the neighborhood receives a card that identifies him. To access the container, the user needs to pass the card, being at that moment identified as having used the system. Otherwise, he will not be able to open the container. Through this system, it is possible to quantify how many times a certain citizen has used the system, and consequently, what the fee to be paid should be. Supporting all this, Ubiwhere also developed a decision support platform, which allows the management of the entire system and the entire park of containers, properly identified. The best part of this solution is that it is versatile, able to be applied to either new containers or existing ones, and can be adjusted to other strategies, such as door-to-door collection or encouraging the bio-waste separation. At Ubiwhere, we believe that technology can help shape communities to be more eco-conscious. It's all about matching sustainability with style.